Hey, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I want to give you a full, honest, unbiased review of Wesley Virgin's new program called the Genie Script. The Genie Script. And my job is to walk you through everything that you need to know, so that at the end of the video you can make a decision of whether or not you want to get into the program. So I think the first thing that I want to talk about is the name of the program. It's called the Genie Script, and you know as well as I do that sounds a bit gimmicky. I'm not a big fan of gimmicks, so I couldn't bypass that. I personally don't like the name, but you know, I guess we shouldn't entirely judge a book by its cover. So the background of this program is that, you know, everyone wants to live the American dream. Everyone wants to attain success, whatever that means for you, whether that means traveling the world or paying off your mortgage or buying your dream car or paying your kids' tuition fees or building a business, whatever that means for you. Everyone, you know, has dreams that they want to attain. And there has never been a better time than now to have financial security and prevent yourself from having the carpet ripped from under your feet. And realistically, that is probably not going to come from your job, since a lot of businesses are cutting down during this period. And personally, I'm a firm believer in investing in your mind with the right information, because that's really the main tool that you have to create wealth for yourself, your mind. So with that said, the Genie Script, to give you an overview, is Wesley's new program where he shows you the formula of meditation and manifestation that he applied to put himself in a better financial, emotional, and mental state. And according to him, the program is nothing but a simple prescription that you take for 30 days that is designed to totally alter your mind using his unique meditation technique. And if you know anything about Wesley Virgin, then you know that he's really big on using, you know, powerful meditation techniques to improve himself. And you know, that's what he teaches you know, his students. And in this new program of his, he talked a lot about how he went from dead broke to making his first $1 million by conditioning his mind, you know, through meditation to manifest his dreams. And I know what you might be thinking, right? How possible is that? I'll be honest, I was initially skeptical, but I think he did a really good job of showing us all of the proof. He literally documented everything. So I mean, if you're the kind of person that wants to see proof, you're going to get a lot of it. You know, it shows a lot of proof in the program. So like I said, the program reveals to you Wesley's unique meditation technique. And I need to attest to the fact that it is, you know, the technique is indeed different from anything I've ever heard. And I've heard a lot from the giants like, you know, Bob Proctor, Tony Robbins, Eric Thomas, etc, etc. So I was really amazed. Amazed with the level of research that, you know, went into creating this program. And you know, if you're like me, I was curious to know the exact technique that, you know, he was using to get all of the results that he's getting. And look, I mean, you need to be totally open-minded to this. I know you might, you know a bit about meditation. I also, you know, knew a lot about meditation before I jumped on his stuff, yet I just pretended like I didn't know anything. Like, you know, I literally had an open mind. And here is why. Result. That's the reason. Because if his results are way better than mine, then I'd better shut up and just listen to the boss, literally. So you need to have that approach. Also, you need to have a totally open mind and just be ready to absorb knowledge like a sponge. So if you're looking to invest into his program, especially before 2021 hits, so that you can manifest your dreams, let me show you what you will be getting from his new program, the Genie Script. The first thing that you'll be getting is 10 minutes meditation 4 times a day. Now, during these sessions, you will be learning, and let's check it out here. I've gone through the entire page, but let me show you where it is on the page. So this is the first thing you'll be getting, 4 minutes, 10 minutes meditation 4 times a week. And like it says there, during those sessions, you'll be learning his technique for 10 minutes a day. So that's the first thing you're getting. The second thing you're getting is a video training on the 5 meditative states. And like it says there, the root of successful meditation is to understand the process. Now, the 5 meditative states that he's talking about there are the alpha, the beta, the theta, the delta, and the gamma state. And his program shows you the benefits of each state and when you should put yourself in each state to see the best result. The third thing that you get access to is his private Genie Script community on Facebook. And again, I'm a big believer in the power of community and how that could provide accountability to you whilst you're on your journey. So yeah, you'll be joining fellow members of the 30-day program in an exclusive Facebook group where you connect with people with similar dreams as yours, get inspired by their results, and stay focused for the entire 30 days. Now, there are a number of bonuses that you're also going to be getting. The first is the Wealth Frequency Binaural Beat Track. The second is this technique called the Kundalini Touch exercise. The third is the Supernatural Third Eye Activation exercises. Here you'll be given step-by-step guided exercises on how to reactivate your third eye. The fourth is the occult walking guided meditation audios. Now this is a technique that allows your mind to concentrate on manifesting your dreams while you walk during your day-to-day routine. And then there is a fifth bonus that I don't know why it was not included here. The fifth bonus that I got access to in his program was his Wealth Visuals program. I'm not sure why it's not included on this page. So I've talked to you about all of the things that you'll be getting, all of the resources that are contained in this program. And I know the big question in your mind is, so how much does it cost to enroll into his program? Well, it doesn't tell you how much here, but because I've, already taken the program, it was $43 as at the time that I paid for it. $43. And that was as at the time. I'm not sure whether the price will increase or not, but as at the last time that I checked it, the price had not increased. So I'm guessing if you get it today, you will be getting it for $43. So there you have it, guys. My review of Wesley Virgin's new program, the Genie Script. Don't forget, if you want to learn more about this program, you can check it out by, checking the link in my description. You could try it out, and if it is not for you, you could simply request a refund after 60 days, no questions asked. That's the beauty. That's one of the most beautiful things about the program, is that it offers, 100% money back guarantee. Now, I didn't need to request for this because I was literally impressed with the depth of research and the, you know, the practicability of, you know, the techniques that he taught in his program. It was not something that I'd seen somewhere else, so I was, you know, very impressed with that. And yeah, you know, it's still a journey for me. I've not arrived. I'm still learning, I'm still practicing, I'm still meditating every day, and yeah, you know, I guess it gets better. So I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I'm wishing you all the best. Have a great day.